Yuki and the super speed surprise. Yuki was a precise, energetic little boy who lived in the neon-bright city of Tokyo, Japan. He knew the name of every single train in Tokyo. His bedroom floor was covered in a maze of blue plastic tracks that looked like a spaceship launch pad. The new Chuo Shinkansen, 400 miles per hour. The screen flashed, 505 miles per hour. They were flying across the ground. The trees looked like green paint smeared across the glass. Yuki felt pressed into his seat like an astronaut. He had never felt so fast and so free. He laughed out loud, a sound of pure joy. The best day ever was happening twice.